everybody, and happy Tuesday. If you're here with me in the Discord, in the YouTube, or in the X chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have Fat Guy Robino, July Peppers, Nathan Ader, Repberg, Frank, SW, Ticking Around, Cyrus, Amateur Genius, Stan, Mike, Skunked, 8TW, Spastric, Papa G Lines, More Envy, good morning. What's up, Billy Joe, Tomoki, Rips Mod, Mike, Double RC, G Lines, Gary, Kaizen. Good morning. What's up, Focus on Futures, Spiky, Shane, Spider Kid, Yays, what's up? Andrew JP, Plum Tingles, The Storm, Mohammed, Gringo, Mini Trader, Bull Shark, El Jess, Jakey, Rock Out, and Go Hard, Greg, Thato, Work It, James Bruce, Spiky, Johnny, Anita, Navy Guy, Ion, Scott Bro, Trader's Nest, Trader's Crest. What are the odds of that? Scott J, Giuseppe, Crypto Trades, Paolo for Zoo, Vibe Trade, Akash, Mike, Bull Shark, Milo, Daytona, Jason, G-Lines, Gary Elliott, Mr. Dio Leo, Morning Julius, Robino, Yolanda, CM, Brandon. Boy, this music's putting me asleep. Hold on. You know what I need? I need a little bit of this. What's up, Ace? Good morning. Yeah, this is a little bit better. I am tired this morning. I haven't taken any trades across the board. Quick check into the Percy here. No trades. Trade of 8, no trades. Nothing. Anybody in any trades here? This does look like it's cresting up and rejecting the previous 4-hour high. We had a big burst of buyers in Tesla early this morning. Google's coming down. And the S&P is fighting right at the VWAP right now. So, I'm probably not going to trade my personal account today. I'm actually thinking about taking my personal account over to AMP. Think about doing that. Once these T-bills mature, I'll have 630,000 and change. I think I'm gonna go give AMP a try, see how their desk is. I don't know. I'm still on the fence. We'll see. But AMP could be interesting, I think. I think we're gonna trade some props today, though. Where is the window of props? There we go. We have Apex accounts to trade, take profit accounts to trade. I think those two are probably good. Good enough to go there. Only have one trading day in these take profit accounts. We don't have a lot of news today, by the way. Morning, DK, Kelvin, Robert, Alexander, James, Rabia, Trader 00, Don, Dev, Raj, Buy It, Trade It, Mike EXT. Just a random question. Why don't you buy the 1-year T-bills instead of the 1 month? I just don't want to have money locked up for a year. That's why. And I'm probably not going to do it again. And plus, like, rates are fluctuating so much. So, yeah. I mean, you could lock it in 1 year, but it's just, I mean, I don't know. Just not really worth tying it up. TBT's gone to the dark side. 1 month waiting for support ticket on issues on funded accounts and saying, what's the issue you're having? Maybe I can help you. 9 p.m. Eastern candle. What would that be? 21? Oh, yeah, that big old dump. Yeah, same with the 2 a.m. or 1:30 a.m. Interesting as well. Profit on the T-bill going to be 900. Yeah, something 800, 900 bucks, somewhere in there. Something completely nominal, but it's free money, you know. And the only reason why I did it was because that T-bill, when they lock it up, they're only removing $15,000 from my buying power, which is not that big of a deal. But like I said, I'm going to be checking out AMP and what they offer on margins. They have a much more comprehensive risk desk. EdgeClear is more boutique-y. AMP is self-clearing, and they have their own risk desk that can allow you to trade larger positions. So I might give that a whirl and see what happens. Kind of undecided right now. It just depends on whether or not I want to start really aggressively sizing up in this account. So one thing obviously I worry about is, I've always traded with a lot of, not always, but I've traded with a lot of boutique brokerages. Sometimes, I don't know. I don't even want to go off on that tangent, but yeah, we'll see. So we might be moving the funds over to the AMP account. Find out today. We're checking one more thing with EdgeClear and then kind of go from there. I'm drinking my coffee and chilling with Rips. What's up there, Yolanda? Good way to start your day. We are having some bidders showing up here in the NQ. Tesla also bouncing off the VWAP there. Once we get to 500 likes, we'll go ahead and start ripping on the giveaways here. We got a lot of accounts to give away today. 100 accounts, believe it or not. But my God, I am so tired. I woke up very early today and didn't get a lot of sleep. How many hours of sleep did I get? I'll tell you one thing. I'm going to be napping at the pool today. 5 hours of sleep? Somehow I got to try to work out too. I don't know. This is just gross, choppy, gross price action. We do have one piece of news that's coming out at 8:30, so bottom of the hour we are going to get some news, but it's really not important. It's the Philly Fed non-manufacturing activity. It's going to be very uneventful. We get the Canadian CPI out at the same time, and I think that's kind of like the most important news we get today outside of the Fed speakers, but honestly, it's just going to be a very slow day as far as news goes. Tomorrow, same kind of schedule. I mean, nothing. We get the 20-year Treasury bond auction tomorrow, but it's in the afternoon. Nobody really cares. I think the rates are going to be lower. Bid to cover is going to be lower. But Thursday is when we finally get real news. We get the PMI and obviously the jobless claims. What's up, Kelvin? Robin. What is the key level indicator I use? This right here. Spaceman BTC key level. That's the one. Yeah, once we get to 500 likes, start blowing out some accounts here. What are we at right now? No, we'll get there. I believe in you. I think we can get there. Did anybody trade during the Globex session? Overnight, London, Asian session? Anyone? How'd you do? Few points, nice. I mean, it doesn't look like it was easy to trade. This on the 1 minute just looks gross. You'd have to be very scalpy, right? Take that off. If you traded through this, you probably got destroyed. I was watching it this morning. You know, I saw a lot of volume come in here and I was like, maybe I could buy it. But then I was like, And then you just watch it keep going and then pulled back. I was like, good thing I didn't buy it. And then it went, choppy nonsense. Very choppy. Best trades would be flush. That's pretty much it. Maybe that flush there. Rejection off that. 4-hour high. Am I from the EU? No. It's a bit too early to do accents. So, I'm not. Ribs, just curious, how do you handle trading burnout, or are you very self-aware where that's no longer an issue? I was very burned out last week. But, I don't know. You just, this is my 11th year of trading. You just learn to kind of understand yourself and your emotions and your feelings a little bit better. It's not easy, but you'll get there with time. It takes a long time. Kind of nice short when I woke up in the night. What time was that at? Tell me you got this guy right here. That one or that one? Or essentially that one. $2 a.m. your time. Buddy, I'm not a doctor. I don't even know how to speak that language. What is that? 2 a.m. your time? 12 hours ago? Carry the one right around. Oh, you got that thing. Yeah. Yeah, you did. Look at you. Look at you. Very nice. There's use TradingView to view the Mag 7, of course. It's over here. It's on my other screen. I look at Apple, Tesla, Meta, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Google. Mm-hmm. Ribs, you have good advice on making $450 per day in the Tradeify account to get payouts. Can you please advise how to be consistent and get payouts in Apex? Same kind of thing. Wake up with a certain profit goal in mind. Just nail it. 50K accounts are probably the easiest ones to trade because you don't need a huge profit goal. But, you know, trading 8 days, try to get a target of $450. You'll be on your way to payouts. That's what I do. What contract size would you recommend on a 50K personal account, my own funds? Ambience, how long have you been trading for? Too busy watching for tornadoes last night. There was one about a mile away because of the tree line. We couldn't see it. My goodness. That's crazy. Nvidia driver strikes again. What do you mean? Oh no. God, dude, what is going on? I don't know what's happening. Huh. Weird. Yeah, I'm getting some type of error. I don't know what's happening, but sorry. Hopefully it's better now. $450 in 8 days seems a bit low. No. $450 per day for 8 days for the payout. Yeah, I got the update. Installed it this morning, restarted my computer, so did a fresh install. It says it's good now, so we should be fine. Brought this account from 2K to 51K in 2 weeks. What? How? That's insane. Take out 40K, dude. What are you doing? Take out 41,000 or whatever. Yeah, if you're 51K, take out 41,000. I don't doubt you. I don't care if you have a document or not. Take out 41,000. Pay yourself. 75K. It doesn't mean anything. All these are just numbers in the sky. Take out 41,000. There's no reason why you need to have 51,000 in an account that you took from 2K. Just take it out. Take out 41,000 immediately. Right now. No, I don't remember on Insta. I get hundreds of messages every single week. Unfortunately, I do not remember. Sorry. Need that 20 accounts for Apex. It's time to show you what I got. I'd love to see that. I'd love to trade right now, but there's nothing. This is just nonsense. You have to be so scalpy. Let's see what we got here in likes. 281. 500 likes, we start the giveaway. Rips? Yes, Dennis? What's your question? What's up, Jake? Rips have passed a bunch of TPT accounts, but always struggle to get the second payout. If you can get the first payout, you can probably get the second payout, right? You're doing something right if you can get the first payout. Am I getting long? No, I'm not trading this. I wonder if I need to like restart my networking or something. I don't know. If we get issues again with YouTube, that's how I'll know. Yesterday was horrible. Bookmap kept freezing. I think it was a Bookmap issue though. Bookmap's data downstream kept freezing. If you're telling me you take 41K out, why are you keeping 600K your personal? Because I've been trading for 11 years and 600K is nothing to me. Big difference. The 4-hour chart shows bullish signs with a 3-bar reversal. Looks bullish for the day. Very nice. Robsmod, yo bro. Wait, what? What are you saying? I hope you've been in here, Ripsmod. Wait, is that... Dude, if this is like the old Ripsmod trying to be on... I think I changed the password for the old Ripsmod. I was sending you comment. Interesting. Scalp with us? No. I need to see this break out of the 4-hour high. Previous 4-hour high. I wonder if I forgot to change the password for the old Ripsmod and the old Ripsmod is logging into the account. That'd be weird. Interesting. Do I prefer IBKR broker? I think their margins are exceptionally high. Pretty sure. Apex has activation fees. Yes, 125 or 135 bucks, something like that. How old are you, Rips? This year, I'm going to be turning 19. Currently 18. Rips, if you or anyone else is using straight to funded accounts with multiple prop firms, doesn't that mean you eventually end up with several live accounts? Yes, it does. Damn, you awful for 19, so sorry. In what way? I look like crap. Thank you. Nice to see you as well. 19, whatever you smoke, you need to stop. Do you know why I look so old at 19? Because every single time I f your mom, I smoke a cigarette afterwards. Finally get to see the chat. Well, hey, there you go. Just one though, just one cigarette. Can you trade multiple Apex PA live accounts? Yeah, you can trade 20, Monica. You can trade 20 at once. They're so funny. We're still at 354 likes. 500, I'll start breaking out the giveaways because the market's not doing anything. I mean, if you want to scalp this, go for it, but it's just not my thing. I don't want to scalp a 5-point range, 10-point range. Donna asked, which straight to funded props are good? I use Tradeify. I got to pay out 2 payouts really easily with Tradeify. Well, not easily. Trading's never easy. Tradeify is the one I'd recommend. And I think code RIPS right now gives you 35% off, which is a great deal. I mean, try one, see what you like, you know. It makes it very clear on what you need to do. You make between $450 and $900 a day, which, by the way, you can do with micros. I did it with minis, but you could do it with micros. It's perfectly doable. And you just be patient, wait for a good setup, take it, and be done. That was kind of what I did. I did that for two payouts, total of $30,000 in payouts, and my cost for those accounts was like $2 grand, something like that, $3 grand. Just asking because I'm 31 now. I've been trading for 7 years, still not profitable. Feel like my time is running out. Of those 7 years, how much of it was full time? Because I mean, if you're not trading full time, I don't think you can really call it like. I mean, I guess you can, but it's just gonna take a while to be good at trading. It really is. It's gonna take a long time. Why did you change from Top Step to Apex? Which prop firm? I mean, I'm trading on Tradeify, TPT, Apex. I think that's all I've been trading so far. But I wanted to try out other props so I could give an honest feedback to, like, if I'd never tried Tradeify, I can't really sit here and be like, yo, Tradeify's the nuts. But I've tried Tradeify now, and I can tell you with full certainty that I didn't have any trouble trading those accounts. I didn't have any trouble getting 2 payouts from those accounts. It was rapidly quick. I mean, you can see the video that I had on my channel or the live stream. I got paid out in under 2 minutes. My second payout when Rise or Wise or whatever payment system they use was already all set up. That was nice. So if I didn't trade on those other prop firms, then I wouldn't have been able to tell you that it was good. Here. There you go. That's from the YouTube chat. Have I met Brett Simba? No, but we've chatted over text and video calls and that kind of thing. But yeah, I've never met him in person. Yeah, I still got to try my funded futures. That's probably next on the list. I have a whole backlog of firms that I need to try. So, you know. Arnie says you have to understand there's no way to learn the skill without losing some money. Use the eval accounts to help you learn not to make money. Then when you make money, go to cash. Yeah, I'd say 9 to 12 months of consistent profitability on props. Then you can probably put a little bit of money into a cash account and see how you do. But it's very dangerous. It's extremely dangerous to trade a cash account. Did I see the crazy price action last night? Oh yeah, we're looking at it. Totally crazy. I'll expect a buy rotation in a new low under 21,454. Are you trading the NASDAQ now there, Richard Harris? I've ever tried Edgeful. No. Never. Maybe 2 legs down on 454. I thought you traded ES, Richard. What's going on? What's happening with you? Did you ever go back to Top Step? I just have traded them before. I think they're a great firm. I can recommend them. I have other firms to trade right now, you know? I really want to get Apex cooking. That would be my next kind of goal, is to get a fat 7-figure payout with Apex. That'd be dope. Which cash account on which broker do you prefer? Well, right now I'm on EdgeClear, but I'm thinking of moving over to AMP. just to try them out since I've been using Edge Clear for the last 4 months. Yeah, 4 months. Be 4 months tomorrow that I've been trading this account and ran it up 630K profit. How about that? What's up, Cheetah? That's funny. Try TradeStation? I think AMP is probably going to be way better than TradeStation. I just need a CQG connection into TradingView. And that's really all I'm willing to do. Ribs isn't a trader, he's a marketer influencer. Yes. I guess I might be the only marketer influencer out there that can trade $630,000 profit in 4 months' time. Find me somebody else who's done that. It's hard to scalp the NQ with my tight stops. Yeah, I mean, I would be pretty terrified trading this right now with tight stops. Had a dream today. I won 2 giveaways. Well, I believe it. Rips, the Apex accounts you give away, do we pay for the activation fee ourselves? Yeah. If you pass it, yes. Yo, what up, Austin? What's happening? Don't have to donate, dog. Got a blue name in here, I think. Don't you? You don't gotta donate. What's up, man? It's crazy what people say, like, you even watched a little bit of Rip stuff. Yeah, I mean, dude, I mean, a lot of people don't. I can't expect that people watch my stuff. I mean, it's pretty clear. Most of the people that come in here and say nonsense have never watched my stuff, which is fine. I don't really care. It's real money, so I don't really care. You know what I mean? Doesn't really change my life. What's up, Micah? You watch Stock Market Wolf? I did until somebody asked him for a broker statement. And then I stopped. Any news on the Celsius sponsorship? Nothing yet. What's up, big guy? How are you? Rips, have you ever traded, or have you ever looked into trading with SMB Capital? Nope. Never. Meant to lock myself out of Globex, but I clicked all day by accident. No trading for me today. That might be a blessing in disguise, my friend. All right, so we get the news, and look at, remember how I said this is not going to move the market at all? There you go. CPI in Canada is a little bit hotter than expected. 1/10 hotter than expected. Nobody cares. Yeah, maybe I'll do Robin's Cup since, I mean, I don't know. The thing is like, I traded a personal account, or I've been trading a personal account for the last 4 months. Nobody really cares about it. I don't know what the value would be of me doing that Robin's Cup thing. I don't really know what the value would be. I don't know. Who knows? But it's red folder. Yeah, no, nobody cares about this. Philly Fed non-manufacturing activity is down. Well, actually a little bit hotter than expected. Boring data this morning. How can you say nobody cares? We just sold off 3.5 points. What happened to the ES? Did we move a quarter? What's the value? Yeah, I don't know. If somebody can give me like a compelling answer as to why I should do that, I mean, maybe I would. I don't really care though. I don't care. I tried to make money, you know? I'm happy how I did in that account that I started for streaming. And it's pretty much all there is to it. Good marketing, yeah. When's the giveaway? When we get to 500 likes on the YouTube stream, which shouldn't be that difficult. We're only 75 away now. Ribs, may I DM you so maybe you can help on the TPT issue? Just look, sure. I mean, you could just tell me right now and we can workshop it live on the air. That's usually easiest. Create your own trading cup for 2026 100K buy-in? Maybe. I don't know. I'd rather do that with poker. Gonna have 100K buy-in for poker. Anybody gonna make it out to Las Vegas for the WSOP this year, by the way? That's gonna be starting in 7 days, actually. I think the first one starts on May 27th, if I'm not mistaken, the first tournament. Thanks for being here, Prop Scalper. You live here, yeah. We are at 15 likes away until we start giving away some free accounts. Ripsmod, if you would, please drop the links for the giveaway. Would appreciate that. Thank you. All right, so what I want you to do is I want you to click on the link that says Apex Coupons and scroll down on that page. See where it says the ultimate way? The ultimate way to be in the blank. Go ahead and type in that word. The ultimate way to be in that blank. The ultimate way to be in the blank. Just type that word in one single time. Easy. Very simple. Look at you folks, got that pretty easily. All right, make sure you follow me on Instagram or on Twitter so I can contact you. When you win, I'm gonna blow these out really, really quick. So you have 30 seconds to claim. You gotta put in whatever your username is on Twitter or on Instagram. You can see here, Chat VIP. Chat VIPs get 10x the luck. S&Ps are breaking a key level right now. They're really breaking down. We'll see if this is going to break below that 430 level. It's at that 4-hour open. Only type in the word one single time, otherwise you get disqualified like these folks here. Nothing I can do about it either to reactivate you. See? Oops. All right, first winner. Brooksy. Come on down, Brooksy. 30 seconds to claim before we go on to the next one. Next, Mr. Yips. Is now breaking below the 4-hour open. I'm going to put on a take profit trader trade here. Nice work there. Checking if that's on X. Yep, you do follow me. Next winner. Get up my let's see here. All right. There you go. Next person here. I'm guessing that's on Instagram. It's X. No account. See? Doesn't exist. Next. Seven seconds. Next. Jen. See if we reject these 30s again. Ten more seconds. Next. Adding in another contract here. We reject this 4-hour open. I think it's gonna go down. Next, J-Hawk. All right, what's your username? 10 more seconds. Okay. So yeah, there you go. You follow me. Nice work. Congrats. Okay, next person. Adding again here for the break of 30s. Next. Username, please. Sure. What's your username? There you go. Next. Oh, there you are. Go ahead and add it here. All right, you're good until July. There you go. Alrighty. Okay, next. Congratulations. See if we can break these 30s to the downside here. Right now it's just shuffling. Okay, there we go. Nice little cut down there. Well, they sold and they bought it right back up. I don't know why we didn't get TP'd there. Oh, because we're at 20. It went to 23. Got you. There you go. Next person. See if this rejects at that prior 4-hour mid again. I'd like to reduce the average up here if we can. Right now it's jamming. Well, you're gonna have to try a little bit harder. Don't put the @ symbol. If you don't put the @ symbol, it should be fine. Might have to cover a little bit down here now. This tape is super annoying. Keeps on wanting to slam right below those 30s and then it just keeps getting caught. All right, next person. Should be able to slam this. Next. Next. Next one. Yep, 30 seconds to claim. I have a lot of bids below us right now. Kind of annoying. Next. Next. Speed giveaways are insane. $8.55, we're going to see the Red Book retail sales. Yes, there we go. Amazing. Just in the nick of time. What is your username? 10 seconds. Starting now. No @ symbol. Very simple. Just type in the username. Five more seconds. Next. Hey, look at how easy that was. Amazing. See that? It's just that easy. Just that easy. Congrats. One free Apex. There you go. Next. Just that easy. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing, baby. thing is just refusing to break down below 30, huh? Next. There's way too many bids stacked down. Way too many. They gotta pull those things. Next. Yeah, there we go. Next. Yeah, sweet. There we go. We're out. Next. That saxophone is hitting. Next. And next. Redbook retail sale is coming out in 20 seconds. Hey, there you go. Let's see if you follow me. There you go. You follow me. Congratulations. Next person. Redbook retail sales are out. Nobody cares. That was easy. Don't ever put the @ symbol. That's how you don't get it to work, but lucky for you, it worked. Congrats. Put the @ symbol, it usually doesn't work. Next winner. What's your username? 10 seconds. Okay, next. Next. Yeah, I'm trying to get to people who can claim it. There we go. That was easy. Snappy. Nice work. Congratulations. Free account coming your way. And next. Next. Prop firm's court. Is that like divorce court? Username, buddy. There you go. Next. 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 Next one. All right, we have Barkin. He just said he's not going to comment on any monetary policy. All right, 10 seconds, Usman. Doesn't exist. Checking on Instagram. Yeah. Doesn't exist. Next. Okay. What's your username? 10 seconds. 5 more seconds. Next. Oh, oh, look at that. Oh, very close, very close. Right in the nick of time. Dude, I was right there on the button. Yeah, just type it in. Simple. Wesley, there you go. Dude, on the river. Unbelievable. Oh, that was amazing. That was sick. Next. Okay, let's see. Yep, easy. Nice work. Next winner. See, it's not hard, folks. It's not hard. Stop trying to gaslight everybody that's hard to claim this. It ain't hard at all. No position. We're flat. 0 on the position. Next. We're pushing up now. S&Ps are pushing up against the VWAP potentially. 5 more seconds. Next. LeBron. What a name. Anybody who's won, you're going to get the codes later. I'm just trying to get through these as fast as possible. Look at that. 12 seconds. You got it right away. Checking. Yeah, there you go. Next, congratulations. Easy way to make sure that you're caught up to the stream is to just watch it at 2x speed, and you'll always be caught up to the lowest or the most recent point. Congrats there, Ben. Easy peasy. Next person. Next. Look at that. So fast. And you do follow me. Congratulations. Next winner. So easy, baby. It's so easy. Gotta type in the username. Keep trying until it shows up. There you go. Nice. Next winner. Next one. I'm trying to get to as many of you as possible. I'm trying to blow out as many as possible here. If you couldn't tell, I'm trying to get as many of you people in here accounts. I'm trying to make it as fair as possible. Trying to get out as many as possible here. Nice work, Calvin. Congrats. Next winner. Another fast person there. Very nice. Oh, wait, that account doesn't exist. Hold on, let me just check on Instagram. Come on, please. Yes, perfect. Wonderful. There you go. Next winner. Instagram or X, either one. Instagram or X, either one. It works. Trying to get as many of these possible. Going down here. Next person. Okay, that was easy. Nick of time. There you are. Congrats. Next one. If you have one, I'm gonna send you the code after the stream, so don't worry. Next. So if you've already, if you've won, I've sent you a message that says congrats, won free Apex. I will send you the codes after the stream. Okay, 10 seconds to type in your username. Nice. Congratulations. Next person. Feels like you're on everlasting. All right, 10 seconds. That was fast. Oh, Instagram, gotcha. Thank you for specifying. Yep, you follow me, great. Next winner. Is that just Trader Joe? Okay, there we go. Doesn't exist. Checking on Instagram. Is there like an underscore in that or something? Can you type it with the underscore so I can find it? Searching far and wide here. I think I've seen you before, but having trouble finding you. So here's the problem. Right? That doesn't exist. I gotta be fair, you know? Yeah, that is X. Sorry, man. Uppercase, lowercase, doesn't matter. Next. Nice. There you go. Follow me. Next winner. We got about 15 minutes now until the market opens. There you go. Yup, you following? Awesome. Congrats, next winner. All right, what's your username? Okay. Instagram, perfect. Make sure you follow me. You do? Next winner. Five more seconds. Next. All right, we're gonna take a little breather after this one. The next person who claims. See if we can trade the open a little bit. So next person to claim, we'll get it, and then we'll take a little breather, redo the keyword, and then we'll do the next blowout of giveaways here. So definitely gonna trade the open here. On props, not on a personal account. Too exhausted. This is just gonna take forever to get. Okay. Yes, what is your username? 10 seconds. Next. See how fast, like I have no sympathy for people who are like, I can't figure this out. See how fast people do this? You know, like it's not that hard. Stop making me feel bad for people who can't claim it. Like, you see how fast this person did that? 11 seconds. Like, come on. Stop making me feel bad. Whatever, dude. Stop making me feel bad if you can't claim it. All right, I'll be right back. All right. We are back. Let's do a new keyword here. Ribsmod, if you would, please drop the links. D. Michael DeVico, I responded to you on Twitter. Look at the exchange. Ready? Ay, ay, ay. People are insane. Ready for this one? I can't believe that people trade. That's mind-blowing. I'm D. Michael DeVico on YouTube. You couldn't find this X profile this morning. You pulled my name and I was repeating it. Trader Joe, 1942. Look at your own username. It's Trader, not Trader. This is for real. This is not, like, this is for real, dude. This is actually for real. Traitor versus Trader. What the f***? Are you serious? What the f*** is going on? For real. This is real. What the f***? This is real. This is not a troll. This is real. This is real. My God. Okay, Goose Fabra. All right. Ripsmod, if you would, please drop the links. Okay. So I want you to click on the thing that says TPT save. See where it says TPT save? Scroll down on that page. Obviously, click accept all where it says this website uses cookies. Just click accept all, obviously. Scroll down. It says differences between take profit and other blank. You're going to type in the word that it says where I said blank. Okay, that's it. Market is opening in about 5 minutes here. Yeah, you folks got it. Type it in only one single time or otherwise you're going to be disqualified. So if you've already won once, then if you already won once, you can win again. And if you missed it the first time, let's make sure we all remember our own usernames. Like my username is Selling Rips. I remember that. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Here we go. First winner. Remember, 30 seconds to claim. Type in your username on X, whatever your, type in your username that is either an X username or an Instagram username. Just type it in. Don't use the @ symbol. Simple. Okay? Here we go. Galvin. Goose Fraba. Hey. Yes. Yeah. Shiro. Okay, look at that. Look, you're trying. Look at that. 10 seconds. Look at that. IG. Gotcha. See how easy that was? Come on. That was simple. And you do fall. Congrats. Next winner. This giveaway thing is too funny. That's funny. And they can't figure it out either. It's funny because like we just started the giveaway. Like it is like I don't understand. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't understand it. I wish I could. I wish I could understand it. Nvidia, Microsoft, and Meta all rolling super hard here. We might just have to push the giveaway to tomorrow. This is crazy town. All right. Congrats. Nice work. Next one. Oh, Mike, you've already won. Let's do another one for you. Message you again. Two free Apex total. There we go. Next one. That's dope that they won twice. All right, 30 seconds till the market opens. Whew, saved by the bell. Nice work there, congratulations. All right, we'll get back to that in a second. We're just gonna trade the open together now. There we go. All right, let's trade the open on some props. Because why not? Good luck, markets are open. Markets are looking a little bit heavy. If we break down below 405, I want to add to this. I want to use this 430 level as a backstop. We are rejecting at 430s. Definitely want to add to it as well. Right now, we are pushing up against it. Seeing some strength from Microsoft. Watching for rejection here. Right now it is holding at those 30s. See if we can break down below 20s now. Oop, getting a little saucy. A little spicy at those 30s again. It's weird, we're getting these little bursts of momentum and then not a lot of follow through. Covering one. Yeah, pulling out. We didn't break that 400 level. Seeing if we're rejecting at 20s now. S&Ps are showing strength. A little bit choppy here. All right, if we take down these 410s, I'm interested in slamming this thing back to like 390 or so. Watching here for the break of 405. If we don't get this clean break right away, we're gonna have to vanquish this position. Now, stopped out. Was looking for the break of 405s. Right now it's just holding. Tesla's going nuts. Seeing on this pullback here. Right now we're just snaking in this range. Tesla is still juicing. Let's see if we can hold 420s now. If 420s hold, we can add at a break of 430. Okay, 430s are testing the break to the north side here. Tesla is still pushing. If we don't get this clean break, we're gonna have to again jump out of this one. Watching for this break to the north side up above 440s here. Very choppy mess. It's like half the algorithms aren't even turned on right now. S&Ps are just sitting at 65s. Yeah, it's weird to see this actually. Hold down towards these 20s. And stopped out. Switch over to Apex. Very choppy. It's like as if 20% of the market is turned on right now. Happy we didn't trade our Percy here. This just looks gross. Musk is filing a lawsuit against OpenAI. See if sellers are actually interested down here. Is it just my connection, or is anybody noticing like it's very sparse liquidity? Like it's as if there's not a lot of algorithms turned on. Or is that just my connection right now? Just feels like there's not a lot of liquidity being traded right now. Not even whether it's being provided, it's just lack of liquidity being traded. Very weird. Yeah, I don't want to be trading my personal in this crap. Like right here, it's just like it's frozen, you know? It's barely trading anything. It's so weird. It's just volume. Dots are small, it's volume. All right, I'm gonna try. Oops, I gotta do my group here. Dang it, I missed that short. My group wasn't set up. Copy trading group. I always forget to do this one. For some reason it saves sometimes, but not all the time. It's so weird. Like this is just so weird the way that this is trading right now. That's why I want to do evaluations on tape like this versus like trading my own account. This looks disgusting. Okay, so there you go. Like there's a rhythmic lag. Like we had a data spike. That looks like a data spike and a lag, but We're literally trading inside of a 30 handle range right now off this open. Freezing again. I might have to restart my networking today. This is evals only. We're only going to be trading evals today, so. What is the S&P doing? Same, similar crap. S&Ps look like they want to roll over a little bit here. All right, I'm gonna try a short. The S&Ps look like they want to roll, so I think they'll bring the NASDAQ with it. Let's see if we get below 400 here. We have to get below this previous 4-hour low. There we go. Starting to roll it. Temporarily. Right now holding at 400s. See if we can hold below 400s at all. It would make a lot of sense too that we jump right back up since we kind of drew liquidity a little bit lower there. I mean, this is just like Chop Fest 101 right now. Drew liquidity straight down and then bouncing right back up. Complete Chop Fest. Back to the 4-hour open. If we have softness here, I want to hammer this. Good call on not trading the Percy today. My God, this is gross. Okay, let's see if we get back below 420 at all. We squeeze and break out. This is gonna be nasty. Look, like it's like somebody's like completely turned off the market. It's so weird. You would think that we'd crater from here, right? Because it's not. There's no more buyers. You would think. 420 has some bidders. It's so weird seeing this tape. Trump to make a 3 p.m. announcement, but nothing confirmed on that yet. I feel like they're just gonna rip it right through 430 here. Okay, they did. See if that was a draw. Right up to the 4-hour mid. If it comes back down, we'll be saved. See if we get back below these 30s again. Okay, testing these 20s now. What a bunch of nonsense this is, right? All right, pulling out there. What a whole mess of nonsense that was. Up, down, 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 up, down. Like, ugh. This is the last type of market I'd ever trade my personal in. And by the way, he was like, oh, he's probably trading his personal. He's probably trading his personal. No, dude, I'm not. Literally. Why would I touch a personal? Look at this crap. You think I'm ever gonna touch my personal account in this crap? Yeah, right, brah. Yeah, right, dude. No. No shot. No freaking way. I would never. This is so bad. This is so bad. This is the worst. There's like nobody who's turned off their algorithm. Like there's a huge firm that is not running right now, or multiple firms. This is insane. Like this is the most dead I've seen the market all year. I'm not even kidding. This could be the most dead open I've ever seen. this entire year. It's not that it's like the areas that it's exploring price makes sense, but the fact that it's not doing it on any, like, this is where it's like, if you had like infinite money, be really curious to see what happens if you like start slamming 200 lots into the bid, like as hard as possible, like over and over. Like, what would happen to the tape? Is there actual absorption down there? I don't know. What is the reason to why not trading this chop? I don't have an edge in this chop. I don't have any kind of edge trading this type of chop. I'm a momentum trader. I like follow through. When you don't have a lot of volume being produced by the transactions in this market, it's usually a big red flag to stay out of it. Believe me, like, I made $9,100 in my personal account yesterday. We had beautiful follow through. This is not my market to trade my personal account in. This is just not it. We've been very choppy for the overnight session, except for 2 big sweeps. And outside of that, it's just been gross. Also, when we don't have confluence in the Mag 7, for instance, we have Tesla going straight up. We had Microsoft and Meta going straight down. They're coming back up. We have Amazon going down, Nvidia going down, Google coming back up. It's all over the place. We don't have congruency between all of the Magnificent 7 right now. So for all of those reasons, I'm out. You know what I mean? I feel like we should just do another giveaway for more Apex accounts. I don't know. It's just, as bad as I want to trade my personal account, as bad as I want to make money in this market, it's just not showing me anything worthwhile. You know what I mean? That's how I feel about it. I feel like the moment that we start the giveaways too, it'll just start lighting up. I want to give this a few more minutes. I don't want to give up on it yet. Again, I'm only trading props. I refuse to risk my own personal capital in this market. In this style of market, no way, buddy. Not gonna do it. You're not gonna convince me otherwise. Like, I appreciate money. I love my money. I'm not gonna risk my money in this type of market. You know why? Because there's a better market condition around the corner. Even if this snapped and broke and it traded all the way down to 342, the idea that I could see that coming and measure that move is ridiculous. Do you know what I'm saying? The idea that I'm going to sit here and lie to you and be like, oh, well, I would have caught that. No, I wouldn't have. Do you see how it's just holding here? You don't know if and when it's going to break, and you also don't know if and when it's going to trap shorts into this move, right? Here's what can happen. And this is from 11 years of trading the markets. Here's what can happen. There's a couple different things on this scenario. We're holding here, right? Obviously, you're looking for a breakdown or a breakup. So what happens is that we can draw liquidity right below that, and all of a sudden, they can put a wall of bids here, right? They can put infinite liquidity, they being hedge funds, large institutions, banks. They can put an infinite amount of liquidity because this market has such low volume. It doesn't take a lot of liquidity to stop the market here. Same goes for here. We start to break out. You can have infinite sellers here where they're just putting up 10,000 contracts as an iceberg, right? And they could stack it, right? You can do these things. So what you can have is a couple different scenarios. And this is why I'm concernicus about this type of price action. You can have a draw and then a pump. You can have a draw and then a break. You can have a draw and a fake out. You can have a draw and a pump. But with the way that this market is trading right now, it's entirely unpredictable, right? It's the equivalent of me playing poker without being able to see my cards. And the idea that I've been trading for 11 years now, or this is my 11th year of trading, you identify these patterns a lot sooner than later, and you get these feelings. Like, it's a sixth sense when you're trading the market, where you just say, you know what? I can trade during an easier session and I can make that money. I made almost 10 grand yesterday, right? Trading the markets because I had a very nice exploitable edge in the market where I took it long and we gathered about 50 points or so, whatever it was. And I know that that day is going to come again. It might not be tomorrow. It might not be Thursday. It might not be Friday. Heck, it might be even waiting until next Tuesday because the markets aren't open this Monday because of Memorial Day. But having that patience is what's going to change you from the trader you are today and the trader you can be tomorrow. You need to learn to have patience. Just because the market is open and moving doesn't mean that you should trade it. Now, if you have edge in this market, great, trade it. Me personally, I know that I don't have edge in this type of open, so I stay away from it. And that's just me. You can look at me, you can say, dude, this guy sucks. This guy's the worst trader I've ever heard. This guy is just off his rocker. But here's the thing. I don't care, right? I couldn't care less. I know the way I trade. I know the way that I like to trade, and this isn't it. See, look, we're getting this break now, but I have zero confidence that we have continuation. Even if we do get it all the way down to 42 here, right? Even if we do get this all the way down, I don't have enough confidence to put my own money on the line from shorting this here, right? I just don't. I just don't. Simple as that, right? The idea that we can reject on any of these pull downs and just jump right back up are way too solid for me. So you can see it all the ways you want to see it, but I just know the way that I trade, and I know myself from trading. That's just the way I view it. I have no FOMO here. Absolutely no FOMO. And there's going to be a lot of people who are trying to buy this dip. Will they succeed? That's TBD. If the S&Ps catch any bids like around 59.40, 59.30, I can see this ricocheting right back up. So, do you see? Like, imagine you shorted 360. You're already 15 points underwater. I don't want to be that person. Do you see what I'm saying? You're seeing this, right? Do you see how that becomes like way too unpredictable and risky? What did I say? Even if it pulls down below that previous 4-hour low, what did I say to you? Right? What did I say? The idea that we can draw liquidity, right? Why would I want to risk it when I can get a much easier tape? You know what I mean? Even if it continues down 200 points lower, it's not my open. It's not my type of trade. It's too unpredictable. Not worth risking my own money into this market. So, all right, back to giveaways. Here we go. Next winner. I'm going to give this person a minute to claim. Luke says, dude, the MC levels are just too good. They're insane. The market, like, just loves those things. It's the same word as before. You don't have to put in a new word. What do you have to do if you win? You type in your username on X. You type in whatever your username is here in the YouTube chat, and then you specify it's your X username or your IG username. That's it. Oh, Frank Picano, where you at, my dog? Frank Picano. Hopefully, Stan, you can journal what happened in today's session and maybe, you know. There you are. Oh, an extra 3 seconds. I said I was only giving you a minute. Okay, you. Don't troll me here, Frank. Come on. Help me. Help me help you. Just because you're a member, but I need to know what your username is, bud. Trying. You're a member, so I'm trying to like give you some extra time here. Help me help you, Frank. Come on. Please help me help you. Okay, it's Frank _Picano. There it is. Yeah, I got it before you. Congrats. Free Apex. There you go. All right. I'm going to do a new keyword rips mod if you would, please. Since there's some people who are probably gone. Let's do it again, rips mod. Give me the link. We're going to do the... We've done TPT. We've done Apex. Let's do the Tradeify one. Yeah, Frank's a winner. He won. Don't worry. Okay, everybody. Click the link that says Tradeify sale. Okay? Click the link that says Tradeify sale. Okay? Everybody's asking me, how do I win the giveaway? I'm giving you very specific instructions right now. Click the link that says Tradeify sale. Rips Mod dropped the link. Okay. Scroll down. Scroll down. Make sure you click allow cookies. It's helpful. By the way, market going right back up. Wow, look at that. Nobody called this move. Not a single person. Not that Rips guy. He never calls that. Do you see what I'm saying? Do you see how this ruins your day? Do you see how, like, if you say, I don't trust that Rips guy, it's already going down, I'm going to short this thing. Do you know what I'm saying? Do you understand? Is it making sense yet? Do you see how we avoid this? This is called 11 years of experience. That's how you avoid these traps. Do you know what I call this, right? There's people ask me, what's the model you trade, right? Do you know what the model I trade is? It's called don't get f***ed. That's the model I trade. If you're asking me, I'm telling you. The model, the exact model I trade is called don't get f***ed. Right? How many of you people were short into that didn't trust me, and they said, know what? I don't trade that model. I trade a different model, Rips. The model I trade is called I like to get f***ed. I like to get f***ed. Wow, that bleep was way too long. Well, if you're long, congratulations. Then you listened to part of my rant where I said, you know, it's probably going to draw liquidity and we're going to go much higher. All right, so scroll down. It says partnered with the best trading blank. That's it. There's an S on the end of the word. Da 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 da. Welcome to Ripsy's stream where you don't get fucked. Don't get fucked. Sorry. It's just crazy how some people look at that and they say, hey dude, this guy sucks. This guy's the worst. I'm gonna short this thing. I'm gonna show him. And then you short it. And then you go straight to down. It doesn't matter upper or lowercase. You just type it in one single time. That's it. Okay. Here we go, folks. Drawing the first super duper winner here. It's time to win. Tommy is here, says, hey, pal, if you were certain it was going up, why didn't you log it? Why the caps, man? Because when I commit to locking out my trading account, Tommy, come here. Tommy, come here. Tommy, do you know where this money came from? This is $615,000. It's actually $630,000. Do you know where this money came from, Tommy? You have any idea where this money came from? Well, I started with this account with $100,000 on January 21st. It's a real money account. See? This is Edge Clear Live. This is a real account. This is a real account. Okay. Do you know how I found $615,000? It's actually $630,000. Do you know how I found this money? I put in $100,000 in January 21st. I traded my mother balls off, and then I took out $100,000. So the $630,000 that you see is pure profit. And do you know how I got that pure profit? By knowing when the should trade and when the shouldn't. That's how. That's how I did it. It's knowing when the should trade and when the I shouldn't trade. That's how. That's how. By the way, broker statements are on my X account. And look at the trades that we took today. Oh, look, there aren't any. Oh. All right. I'm losing my mind. All right, so here we go. If you do win, you have 30 seconds to claim, right? If you do win, you have 30 seconds to claim. And then You just type in, what is your username on X? What is your username on IG? And then Bob's your uncle. Here we go. Pradeep Baliga. Better believe that. Oh, this is some giveaway music if I've ever heard some. By the way, Apex is 80% off right now. 80% off if you use code RIPS. 2 times in a row. All right, well, then can we do the username? I'm going to put you on the clock. 20 seconds, because I'm nice. I'm guessing your username is not 2 times in a row, but you were so gracious enough to type. Yeah, okay. Yes, dude. This music is like confirming that I'm actually in hell. It's been 25 seconds now. This is insane. Buddy, this is insane. I want to talk to somebody with brain damage, so I'm just going to leave it up here. What is your username on X, my friend? I'm just going to let you cook. Let's see how long it takes you. Oh, check this out. Watch, I'm going to show you a little trick here. Yeah, okay, cool. Check this out. Watch this, watch this. So I'm going to go to x.com. Watch this. And then I'm going to put in what you just sent me. And here's the thing. Doesn't exist. Yeah. Do you see? Look at, I even put it in. There it is. That's what you told me to put in. That's what you told me to put in. You said it. You. Insane. It's actually insane. Actually insane. All right. I guess that's it for that one. Honestly, I can't even believe that people can't figure out trading, because I mean, this is way harder than trading. This is way harder than trading, let's be honest. Typing in your own username is way harder than trading. There we go. I would never trade this market right now. Period. End of story. Unless I see an algorithm turning on. A real hefty, juicy algorithm turning on. Smooth jazz on 88.9 Ripsy Radio. Reroll. I just can't. Oh, man. Crazy, right? Is anybody else like, I'm actually like, this is crazy to me. It's crazy. Like, cause they have to type in the keyword and then they type it in like a couple minutes ago. And then it's like, they see that they're win and then they're just like, that's my name. That's my name. I just can't imagine. I just don't get it. This is real. This is actually real. Well, I don't know what to say anymore. I'm actually speechless. I'm actually speechless. Because they, like, the thing is they have to type in the keyword, right? They actually have to type in the keyword. And then, like, I don't know. It's just weird. It's so weird. I mean, oh my gosh. I feel like you should get 100 accounts. I gotta check on IG before I start roasting you. All right, sweet. You do follow me. Amazing. Congratulations. Next winner. Boom. Yeah, it's you. That was easy. There you go. Congratulations. Next winner. All right, we're getting on a roll. I have faith in humanity once more. Oh my God. We're starting to get on a roll. Don't let me down, people. Do you want a free month of MC, buddy? I see you're in Discord. What do you want? Yeah, okay, I got you. Nice job. Next. All right, you are good until June 30th, my friend. There you go. Wow, this market could not be worse, huh? Hey, look at that. So quick. Perfect. There you go. I feel like I should reward the people who answer in the allotted amount of time. Congratulations, buddy. All right, I'm gonna do 2 more regulars and then we're gonna move on to the grand prize winners. The 10 pack and the 20 pack. But I'm only gonna give 1 chance for each. Take care, SW. Okay, what is it? No @ symbol. Type it in a bunch of times until it shows up. There we go. Nice. Okay, last one before the grand prize winner. Username, please. Market's coming right back down. Crazy town. Okay. Nice. Okay. All right, so here we go. For the keyword, the next keyword. This one's gonna be really, really easy. Let me put on some more upbeat music here. Do 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 do. Okay, here we go. All right, so all you need to do to win this, very, very easy. All you need to do is type in the best keyword to get the best savings at every single prop firm. What is the coupon code for the best savings at every single prop firm? Just type it in one single time. All right, so this is gonna be the deal. The first one I roll for, I'm only rolling it once. It's gonna be a 1 minute claim time. 1 minute claim time, okay? If you do not claim it within 1 minute, we're gonna move it to the next day. We're gonna move it to tomorrow for a 10 pack. Then we're gonna roll for the 20 pack. The 20 pack, you have 1 minute to claim it. If you do not claim it, we go and we go tomorrow. That's it. That's it. So this is gonna be for the 10 pack first. The 10 pack is gonna be the one going first. 10 pack. 10 pack. If you're on X right now, you need to go over into YouTube and type it in YouTube. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and on X. This is for the 10 pack first. All right, we're over 400. Here we go. You ready? You ready? I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. This market is such trash. Not touching this thing. Everything in the Mag 7 says this should be going lower, but it's like, it's not yet. Like, there's some people starting to dump it, but it ain't there yet. All right, here we go. 5, 4, for a 10 pack. 3, 2, 1. Boo! Anil. 1 minute to claim, my friend. This is for a 10 pack. 50 more seconds. And I saw a username coming through, didn't I? Kinda. There it is. Hey. Hey. Let's see. Let's see, let's see. Come on, baby. Yeah, you do follow me. Yes. Let's go. Congratulations, buddy. That's a 10 pack for you. Congrats, 10 free Apex. All right, here we go. You got it, buddy. Thank you for saying thank you. Here we go. All right, here we go for the the 20 pack. 20 pack time. Here we go, buddies. Here we go. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brah! Everything live. It's your time to shine. It's your time to shine, baby. Yes. Okay. I'm putting you on the clock. You're still on that clock. You got 50 seconds to claim. Don't let this, don't fumble it. Don't fumble the bag. Don't fumble the bag. All right, side bets on the, oh my gosh, look at that. They didn't fumble the bag. I guess people like they take it seriously when it's the 20 accounts. You do follow me. Congratulations. Congrats. 20 free Apex. Boom. Let's go. Yahtzee. Let's go, baby. That's awesome. That's amazing. Congratulations to all the winners today. If you did win, I will be DMing you a code after the stream is over. So stay tuned for that. As bad as I want to stick around and trade this, there's really nothing. We could probably do some more giveaways, I think. Maybe a couple more, you know? Let's see how this market shapes up here a little bit. There's just a lot of grossness in this market right now. It's just range bound and nasty, and every single time we start to see some liquidity come into the market, it disappears just as fast. Let's see, where does this put us on Apex? A very good question. Let's see. Where's the thing? There it is. So we're looking at Apex here. Puts us at about $4,000 away from passing. Yes, indeedy. As bad as I want to trade these, I don't know. Market kind of sucks. You know what I mean? Yeah, I thought with all the rerolls we'd see some classic members winning. We did have some classic members that did win, but I thought we would have got a lot more. I thought we would have had a lot more. Market's still doing absolutely nothing here. Stuck in this garbage range. What they got in giveaway? Apex accounts, baby. I can't believe that the 10-pack and the 20-pack actually got one. My money, if you would have asked me, my money would have been on people not being able to claim it. Given how we blew out accounts, and I'd say we had about a 40% success rate. We're gonna be doing more giveaways this week too, so don't worry. If you didn't win anything today, I give away stuff here all the time. And when the market conditions are better, we trade a lot more. We make a lot more money, you know? I could give away some free months of MC if you want. You guys want to do 5 months or 5 people? Should we do that? We could do that. All right, Rib Smod, if you would, drop the links, please. I'll do one more giveaway for 5 free months of MC. So you can come hang out with us in the Discord. Go ahead and click the thing that says... do the one that says TPT Save. Click that one. TPT Save. Scroll down all the way to the bottom. It says choose your futures account blank. You're going to type in that word. That's it. Type in that word. Easy peasy, baby. And then we'll start blowing out some free months of MC. I need a nap. I need to work out, take a nap, and go shopping. That's what I want to do today. That's what I want to do today. All right, let's give out 5 free months. And then I'm out of here. Then I'm going to go hang with Discord for a little bit. But if you're in Discord, don't be expecting a lot of value out of me today. I'm not trading this market, my real money account. So what do you want from me? What you want from me? All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. First winner is 1 minute to claim, by the way. 1 minute to claim. Seth in the building. In the building, ding, ding, ding. Seth says, you. I'm so loopy right now. I'm happy that I'm loopy because if I was like woke up with a bug up my butt and I really wanted to trade this market, I probably would have got cooked. Hello, Seth. What is your username on X or on Instagram, please? There we go. See how easy it is, folks? That ain't hard. That ain't hard. Congratulations, Steve. Congrats. 1 free month of MC. Boom. Next winner. Anita Lowe. What is it? This is the Storm. Go ahead and add a free month for you. I got you. Yes, ma'am. Oh, I got you. You are good until June 30th, my dear. Congratulations. Woo! Out the mud. We got 3 more. 3 more to go. 3 more to go. It's 3 more. 3 more. 3 more to go. Just losing it. Uncle Patty, that's raucous. Out the mud, out the mud, out the mud. Out the mud, out the mud. I'm doing 1 minute to claim. I'm seeing if that makes any difference. I'm guessing it's not going to make much of a difference. It blocked my message. Well, keep typing it. Copy paste. Just ba 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 ba. Don't put the @ symbol. Just put your X username, your Instagram username. Keep typing it. Just keep typing. Type, type, type. Just as fast as you can. Just keep doing it. Spam it. There, see, look, it worked. Yeah, see? That's all you gotta do. Yeah, yeah. Oh no, that's not, wait, this better be on, if this ain't on Instagram, I'm gonna lose it. Okay. And yes, my man, congratulations. There you go. Next winner, 2 more. That's all you gotta do is just spam it. Congrats. 1 free month of MC. Okay. Rhino America. All right, is this the last one? Let's see. On X. Yes, you do follow me, my guy. Congrats. 1 free month of MC. Boom. Last one. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Final winner of the day is Jorge. Jorge. Come on down, dog. Come on down. What ain't I winning? I don't know. I don't know, man. Sorry. You still have a chance if Jorge doesn't claim here in 30 seconds. I believe in Jorge, though. Chad says, use your code. Got my first Tradeify account today. Done with evals. Give it up for Chad. Come on, Jorge, please. You did the @ symbol too, and I'm like, don't do the @ symbol. All right, you do follow me. Congratulations, Jorge. Congrats, 1 free month of MC. All right, so to all the winners today, congratulations, of course. You are the real goats. Thank you to everybody who actually claimed. I'm not gonna trade for the rest of the day. We're finishing up in Apex, almost passing. I'll post those results, obviously. All right, sit down in the back. Don't need to keep clapping. Thank you. But listen, we didn't trade our Percy Jackson today, obviously. Look, you can see right there, wherever the thing is. Where's that window? There it is. Yeah, we didn't trade it all. So we might be trading on AMP soon. This collateral is finally going to go away. We're going to get $15,000 added to the balance plus $900. So we'll probably be at $631,000 balance. Unless I trade today, which I'm not going to. I'm telling you right now, I'm not going to trade. So that's it for me. No trades in the Percy. We got some trades in Apex, and that's that. So there you go, folks. That's our day. I hope y'all have a lovely day out there. If you are going to trade, please be careful out there. Tomorrow, we're probably going to do some more giveaways. You don't want to miss it. We'll be back here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Hopefully, there's a better trade to take tomorrow, and we can smash it. We can smash it. Smash it. Yeah. All right, everybody. Take care. Be good. I'll see you bright and early. Thanks for tuning in today. We'll have some more trades going off tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.